Hello there everyone. Today I'll teach you how to draw a cute teacup. So let's start by drawing a nice oval shape. Now draw a semicircle below . Draw a shape like this. A curved line. Now we'll draw the eyes. 2 circles. The mouth, two more smaller circles inside, more smaller ones below that, cute eyelashes. There you go. Now let's color this teacup. First, I'm just drawing the outline thicker. So that it'll look more cute